welcome back to my channel. My name is Natia. If you know you're new to my channel, you are welcome. So today's video is going to be about jumping. Yes, I'm going to be giving you guys different jumping exercise that you can do, and also I'm going to show you on the easy way without jumping. So it's basically what we are going to be doing, and I don't want to stress you guys. If you know you cannot jump, you can do it on the easiest way as well. So let's get started. The first one is going to be jumping. This jumping hand squat, okay? And then you can also do it in the easiest way like this. So the second one, the second jumping, it's gonna be this one, like this.
Mom, you need to make 2 of them.
And then the easiest way is gonna be this one and here. So the last and number least is gonna be jumping lunge. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's gonna be this one, jumping and lunge. And the easiest way is gonna be like this.
Mommy, I say you need to make 2 of them.
So, and let's get started. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get access to my new video. Catch you guys on my next one. So that's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, if you know you do, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Leave your comments if it's interesting. If you like it, let me know on the comment section below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and catch you guys on my next one.